Hello guys, today we'll perform a practical number 7 in your subject Computer Networks and Data Communication. So practical number 7 is to install a LAN network inside your lab. So this is your lab like environment. Cisco Packet Tracer app is there. Okay, so inside that you can perform a LAN. Okay, so we are only use 6 PCs, okay, or maybe 4 PCs. You can add these pieces later. Okay, so for that we'll require network device. So in that network device we have use a switch. So just use this 2960 switch here. Okay, again we want some hub, then use just pt hub. Just give it a pt hub here and pt hub here. Okay, then you need end devices. So I'm just connecting 4 pieces over here. Okay, so 4 pieces I have connected. Now just connect all these things with your bias. So switch is connected with fast ethernet 0. Okay, again just connect it to the fast ethernet 0. So you can see here hubs have up to 6 links, fast ethernet 0 links. Okay, again just connect fast ethernet, fast ethernet. Okay, hubs and pcs have fast ethernet, while this switch has a 2 ports for gigabit ethernet. Okay, so using gigabit ethernet you can connect to your routers. Okay, so now all these labels have green, but we are going to give some ip addresses. So I will just give ip address for pc. Just connect, press twice. Okay, so I want to give 192 sorry, 168.10.1. So for this pc, again just give 192.168.10.2 for the second pc. For the third pc, just give the ip address of 192.168 dot, how much ip address we have given? 10.123. Just check, we have given ip address, yeah, 192.168.10.2, 10.3. And again just give a ip address of 192.168.10.4. Okay, so now we have given the ip address of all this pc. You can connect extra network computers here also, or you can directly connect two switches to each other rather than connecting these hubs to one switch. Okay, you can do anything. So now we'll check whether my pc 0 is able to communicate with pc 3. So how to do this? We'll just use this simple pdu unit and we just ping from pc 0 to pc 3. So you can see here the ping command or the simple pd unit successful. Okay, so communication is successful from pc0 to pc3. Again, if you want to check with your pc1 to pc2, again it is successful. So inside this network also it is successful, pc0 to pc1. Okay, so this is your LAN. Okay, so you have connected your systems in your laboratory. So you can connect 6 computers here. You can again another add 6 computers here, or you can directly connect 24 computers here. Again, you can connect other lab to this using this other switch, and again you can connect 24 or 48 computers on that switch. Okay, I will just use this ping command again to check. So just click on pc0 and go to the command prompt. Just ping one of the your ip address. So this pc ip address is 192.168.10.1. So I will just ping other ip address 192.168.10.4 or last pc, 4 number pc. If you type this, so you can see you are receiving data from all these devices. Okay, so this is all in your LAN establishment. Okay, in your just practical environment, you just connect uh, these lines through your patch cards. Okay, so you have to prepare patch cards and connect it to these lines. Okay, so this is the real-time environment, so just don't worry about that. So thank you for watching the video. In the next lecture or video, we'll come with a